Okay, so this is the last section for lesson 1. It's still classroom vocabulary, but this is a little different. Most of the words you do not have to know how to spell, but you have to understand them. Okay? Most of them are adjectives, but we also have some special nouns in here. So first we're going to start with the adjectives. Okay. So often when I correct your tests, I write little messages next to your grade or next to your mark. And here is a graph that explains all of these adjectives. The best word is excellent. So all of these words, good, great, awesome, excellent, they all mean good. But this is like Ichiban, like super good. Very, 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 very good. Okay, excellent. And very good is awesome. And really good is great. And good is good. So usually excellent is about 100%, let's say. And awesome would be like 90%. And great would be 80%. And good would be 70%. Okay? For me, a grade over 60% is good. Okay, if you can get over 60, that's pretty good. I'm very happy. Less than 60 is not good. And 50 and less is bad. And less than 40 is just horrible. It means you really just don't understand. So try and get these adjectives over here, okay, guys? Okay, again, you don't need to memorize the spelling for these words, but you should be able to read them and understand them, okay? If you have any questions, please ask. And the last adjective is interesting. So you do have to know how to spell this word. So please say interesting twice. Now say it by yourself. Now write it by yourself. The answer is interesting. 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 It is an adjective. Often I will say, please write an interesting journal or something like that. And yeah, so I don't just want good grammar. I actually want interesting work, please. Boring is, well, boring. Yes? Okay. The next section is special nouns. Okay, special nouns. You do not have to know how to spell these words, but you must understand them when you read them and when you hear them. Okay? So, let's look at this paragraph, these sentences. My pet dog is big and beautiful. His name is Fred. His fur is gold and his eyes are brown. I love him very much. Easy, no? Okay. The first tango, the first word for you to know is word. Word. Okay? It's a W, so I know the sound is very difficult for you. But please memorize the sound and the reading word. What is a word? It's a tango, right? So is a word. Name is a word. Fred is a word. My, much, all words. Brown, love, gold. So for example, I would say in class, please write the word, okay? Or you need more words. So you have to recognize when I say that, okay? So we know word. Now, sentence, which is bun, I think, in Japanese. So, my pet dog is big and beautiful. From here to here, it is a sentence. His name is Fred. From here to here, it is a sentence. Okay? So a sentence has many words. Actually, a sentence must have a verb. I'll say that again. A sentence must have a verb. Okay? So, a good example. Often in class, I say, your journal must be 5 sentences. Okay? Sometimes I will say, your journal must be 30 words. So it depends. All right? Okay, where is the next sentence? After his name is Fred, from where to where is the next sentence? Can you figure it out? Yeah, his fur is gold from here to brown. You see the little period? Yeah. This is a sentence. And the other one is I love him very much. I to much. All right, so word, sentence, and paragraph. All these sentences together make one paragraph. Usually, one paragraph is one topic, one subject, all together in a paragraph. Okay? So, you have words. Many words make a sentence. Many sentences make a paragraph. So, for example, if you must write a paper, a report, I will say you must have 6 paragraphs. Okay? Word, sentence, paragraph. One word, one sentence has many words. One paragraph has many sentences. If you do not understand, please come see me. All right, next. This is time, jikan, time. All right? Right over here is now, ima, right now. And in English, we call that present. Okay? Present. In Japanese, it's genzai, I believe. Okay? You must know this word. So this is now, this is before. Before. And we say past, the past. This is kakko in Japanese. And later, right? Before, now, later. And we say the future. Mirai. Future. So why are these words important? It's because with verbs, you must understand if the verb is past, present, and future. For example, I am a teacher. I am is present of the verb to be. I was a student. I was is the past of the verb to be. Okay, so let's look at something easy for you. The verb is to study. Okay, the present tense, now, I study. I study English every day. It means often you study English, yes? Past, I studied. I studied English on Saturday. So last Saturday, you studied English. It is in the past. And the future, I will study. I will study English this weekend with my friend. Okay, so past, present, future. You must know these words. They're difficult, and they suck, but you have to know them because many of the grammar questions I ask you will say, please write the present tense of to learn, and you must know. Okay, the last two. So here we have present, right? Genzai, present. I study. I did not study. Uh-oh. This is I study. Present positive. Positive. Yes? I study. Present negative, it's kind of like nani nani masen. Negative. I did not study. I did not study. Negative. Present. I study. Positive. Present. So please remember. Okay, so let's review. My name is Vanessa. I am Canadian. I am not Japanese. However, I live in the beautiful city of Shizuoka. I am an English teacher. All right. Which verb is present positive? There are 4. Is, right? Is present positive. She is. My name is. Next. Hint. Every sentence has one verb. Am. I am. Present positive. I live. Present positive. And I am, again, present positive. Okay, where is the present negative? I am not. This is present genzai negative. Okay, if you do not understand, again, please come ask me. So thank you. That's it. Easy peasy. Good luck.